Hello, I'm Swagoto Surjo, roll number 21NA30033. I'll be showing my DIY assignment 3. What I'll be doing is that I'll be disassembling the vacuum cleaner in my house and showing you the parts in it and then assembling it back. So I'll just show that the vacuum cleaner works before I uh, disassemble it. So here it goes. Here is a piece of paper. I'll just turn the switch. I've just turned the switch on. Now it will just if it works, then it will just suck it in. You see, it is gone. Yeah. As you can already see, I've opened the head of the vacuum cleaner here. Here uh, the long neck kind of a thing was protruding out. I've removed the neck. It was detachable, and now I've opened up the head. The head has at the top of it. Don't know if it is visible or not from here. Uh, as you can see, there is a bag inside. Here, in the bag, all the dust or any particle which it comes across, it stores all the dust in it. And here you can see it is the rest of the body. Here, this is actually cannot be penetrated by any solid object, because all that passes through here is the high speed air. Two, one. As you saw in the previous clip, the armature inside, which you can see right here, was rotating. Essentially, the and a current was given, and it rotated this armature. Um, and this vacuum pump got activated right here, and I've also added the clip of the vacuum pump rotating. The air is being sucked in from the head of the vacuum cleaner to this pump, and then it is thrown out from the system from a fan which is added to the back. I have assembled it back. I'm uploading this clip to just show that after assembling it back, it is still working. Plugged it in. Turn this on and is this sucking in or not? So it shows that it still works.